Every time after a long day of trek, we just can't wait to get inside that tent. We tend to throw the trekking pole and try to fit inside along with the backpack. Well, wait, let's rewind. Here is the right way. First, fix the trekking pole or your ice axe outside your tent.
And then remove your backpack.
Unzip your outer of the tent and then roll it open. Then open your inner zips. Use both your hands while opening or closing the zips of your tent. Now you're ready to step inside the tent. Keep your bag inside, then remove your shoes. Keep the shoes in the area beneath the outer to protect it from snow or rains. You can hang your head torch here. Use the side pocket for mobile or other accessories. Make sure to sleep in the center of the tent and backpacks are always placed towards the side. This way, the body heat helps keeping each other warm. While sleeping, remember to close all the zips of the inner and to shut the outer too. So good night and sleep well.